Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a quick and simple homemade bubble solution or bubble juice recipe that can create some pretty big bubbles. I decided to make my own bubble solution because my children enjoy playing with bubbles a lot. I used to purchase the bubble solution, but it started to get costly as my children go through a lot of bubble solution really fast. You can see from the video clips that this solution works quite well. This recipe is what I found online. I'll leave a link in the description below if you would like to check out the recipe. There are tons of info on the site as well, and you can have a look if you want to learn more about bubbles. Let's take a look at the ingredients that we need. First, we need guar gum powder. This can be purchased online. I'll leave a link in the description below. Dish soap, baking powder, and water. The following measurements are for 500 ml of bubble solution. Firstly, add a quarter teaspoon or about 1.2 grams of guar gum into the mixing container. Next, add in about 30 ml of dish soap. I have the measurements marked on the measuring cup. I'm using Joy brand dish soap, which is readily and easily available in Malaysia. The only other dish soap brand which I have tried is Mr. DIY brand, but that doesn't work, so stick to Joy. Mix well so that the guar gum powder is dissolved into the dish soap. Next, add 500 ml of tap water and continue stirring. Do not stir too hard as you want to avoid foam. I now add a heaping quarter teaspoon of baking powder to the solution. Continue mixing the solution. Once the baking powder is mixed into the solution, you can leave it to sit for a few hours or overnight. The next day, your solution will be now ready for use. Leave a like below if you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.